Welcome to new lecture. In this lecture, we are going to talk about security group in AWS. First, I'll open the EC2 instance that we launched in our previous lecture. Inside the instance details page, I'll click on Security tab. Here you can see that security group attached to our EC2 instance. I'll click on Security group link to explore it. Now you can see to main section, inbound rules, outbound rules. Inbound rules define what kinds of traffic is allowed to come into our EC2 instance. Outbound rules define what kinds of traffic is allowed to go out from our EC2 instance. Let's look at the current inbound rules. You can see that only port 22 is allowed. This means our EC2 instance will accept incoming requests only on port 22. Port 22 is used for SSAs. So when we connect to our EC2 instance using the terminal via SSAs, that connection request goes through port 22. Now let's look at the outbound rules. Here you can see that all traffics are allowed. That means our EC2 instance can send response or traffic back to anywhere without restriction. By default, in inbound rules, port 22 for SSAs is allowed, and in outbound rules, all traffics are allowed. However, we can change these rules anytime based on our requirements. Now let's edit the inbound rules. I'll click on Edit Inbound Rules and delete the existing rules that allowed port 22. Then I'll save the rules. Now let's try to connect to our EC2 instance again. First, I'll copy the EC2 instance connection string. I'll save it into a text file because we'll use it frequently later. Now I'll paste the connection string into the terminal and press enter. As expected, we are unable to connect to our EC2 instance via SSAs. That's because we deleted the inbound rule that allowed port 22. Finally, we saw that connection is refused. Now let's go back to the AWS Management Console. I'll click on Add Rules to create new inbound rule. From the drop-down, I'll select SSAs. We have predefined lots of rules. If you wish, we can select custom rule as well. Notice that the port range 22 is automatically selected. From the source, I'll choose anywhere IP version 4. This means we can access this EC2 instance using SSAs from anywhere in the world. Then I will click on Save Rules. Now let's go back to the terminal once again and run the same SSAs command. This time we are successfully connected to our EC2 instance. Alright guys, that's all for this lecture. In this lecture, we learned how security group control and manage traffic in AWS. See you in the next lecture.